Hey guys, so in this part 3, now that we get WordPress up and running, I'm going to show you how to install the SSL certificates and install a new theme so you can make your site much more beautiful. All right, let me just share my screen and bear with me because it can get a little complicated, especially for the SSL part. Okay. So if you followed everything in my previous video, you should be here. There was one comment I forgot to mention in the previous video. So if you're getting errors, just check the comments in my YouTube video. I've added the comment that is missing. Okay. So what we want to do here is to add a small plugin. So WordPress this is the base WordPress installation. What you can do is install what are called plugins, and plugins make your life much easier. So what we want to install is something that is called really simple SSL. That is going to allow you to install free certificates, which is absolutely great. So it's called really simple SSL. And so we want to install this plugin now. You want to activate it. Fantastic. Okay, so this is installed by default. So what we want to do is to go through the process of installing this certificate. So we click on this, making some few. Okay, let me just pause because there was something that is missing here, and I become me back soon. So pause. How do I? Okay, it looks like I'm missing a package, so I'm going to install it using this command, the curl package. Ah, okay, so it's probably something different. Let me just restart Apache and see if it works better. And now let's reload the website. Okay, well, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, it looked like I had a package that wasn't installed, so I think that's going to work this time. You need to run this command here, and it will install the package. So I'm just going to complete the installation, and we need to restart the server. That I should have this here. And now let's go back to here. Okay, let's try again. Yes. Okay, this is normal because we're running this on our own server, so don't worry too much. We will need to install the certificate manually, which is the complicated part. All right, save and continue. I should have changed this, but that's okay. Agree. We should do this. Because we're using our own server, so we need to select I don't know, and we're gonna have to save the certificates manually. So don't worry, that's very easy to do as well. Save and continue. Okay, so that's good. Save and continue. This is generating the SSL certificates. I think I need to do it twice. Okay. 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 It's trying. Yes. Okay. So that's where it's becoming important because we need to save those certificates on the server itself, which means that I need to find some ways of transferring this to the server from my local machine, which is going to be a little complicated. I'm gonna pause the video for a moment and come back. Okay, so the challenge that we've got is that we need to transfer those 3 files here on the new web server, which is a little complicated because you need to be able to really understand where those files are. And we don't have an easy way of doing this. Let me just check something. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I figured this out. What we need to do is to create the certificates on the server, and they need to match these names here that we're going to create in the Apache configuration file. So for the first one is certificate, which is going to be the certificate for the website. The second one is the private key, which is the very important file. And the last one is the intermediate file that sort of authenticate who the certificate authority is. So to be able to do this, and they're stored in the etc SSL folder. Okay, so what the best way of doing this is to actually to create the file directly in there by copying the content and then creating, so it's copied, and then we do sudo nano certificate. So it's creating the file and it has to match what we've got here, a certificate.sub. And then we just paste it. Okay, so that's it really. And then we exit and we save. Yes. So we get a file in there. And then we do exactly the same for sorry, private.pem. We copy the content in there, paste it in there. Control X, exit. Yes, private.pm. The last one is intermediate.pm. Copy this in there, paste it, exit, yes. Okay. Now we've got those 3 files that we've just created. All right. So now what we need to do is to actually change our configuration file to have this part here that is going to match the certificate. So if you remember, we actually edited the file sudo nano etc apache sites available wordpress.conf. So we had this for HTTP. Now what we want to have is exactly the same for HTTPS, which is port 443. Paste it there, and this looks good. Yes. Control X, save modified buffer. Yes. 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 Okay, now what we need to do is to restart Apache. Where's my restart command? Okay, probably did forgot to do something. I'll be back in a second. Okay, we do need to enable SSL on the server, the SSL module. So we got all these commands here. Upgrade OpenSSL. And we do this. You just have to execute those commands. Okay. Now this should work. Yes. Phew. Which means that now we get the SSL certificates running, and we should be able to refresh this, save and continue. So this is good. We get the SSL. Go ahead, activate SSL. Excellent. So it's going to, now you see we get a little box here. Yes. And now, oh, just give me a sec. I think I got the wrong password. Okay, I mean, so that's good. There's something that we need to do is to secure the key file. It's not gonna break the thing, but I think we need to do a 600. I can't remember. So you're gonna have to follow the article and just put some sort of security around the key file in the SSL. But essentially everything is working fine now. What we need to do is to activate the redirect, save here. And that's good. Just give me a sec again. Okay, this is what you need to do to secure the private key. It's the command that you need to execute. So you go there, paste this, and now your private key is secure. You see in there that private the PM is only accessible to root, which is what we want. So now we can get this away. This is good. This is good. So it's very good. There are some additional security measures that can be taken. I might do a fourth video for this, but for the moment, we've got our website up and running and secure. And just to finish the video, I'm going to add a new theme because it's nice to have a good theme. So at the moment it's running on the standard theme. If you want to add a new one, and we look, Astra is really good. That's the one I use for myself. So I'm just going to install Astra, and we're going to install one of the templates. Astra, activate Astra, and then we can do get started. All right, build your site now. Okay, now we're moving into really the WordPress world, but I use the basic block editor, which is the easiest to use. It's not loading, but if you click there, it should reload all the templates. Ah, good. And for example, I want to use a nice one around, where is it? Blog, full blog. So if we want, for example, install this nice cafe one, or where is the, oh, that's the one, Rose Lewis. So take this, and you can install a logo now, you can do it later. Skip and continue, continue. Yeah, okay, this was not working. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so what you need to do is to install a small package, PHP XML. I know that's a lot of packages, but okay, yes. We want to start the purchase just in case. Not sure it was really necessary, but now we can go back here and reload this and try to install the template again. So that was a full blog, and we want Rose Lewis. Oh, see, continue, and then it's installing everything that is required. Yay. And this is it. You get your beautiful website up and running. So as you remember, can get to the dashboard. Now we get a number of plugins installed. They were automatically installed by Astra. Here you can see all the different files that are used. There's a small bug here with the video that I'm just going to fix. Visit site, edit page. Yeah, there was a bug. Now that see the video is working now. Okay, and that's it. That's it for now. I will probably do a last video to show you how to secure the website and do some final adjustments. But I think we did really well. Thank you.